Diyos ka? Aning na lang. Sabi mo kaway-kaway sa camera. Ay, kaway-kaway daw kayo. Kaway. Kaway. Ay, kaway daw. Ito sa'yo.
Number 2, Johan. 5. Number 3. Number 3. Simulan diretso. Nagmamadali. Number 18. Not good. Number 28. Eto na nga! It's not good. Number 2. Number 2. Is it dribbling? Number 2. There's a foul. Number 18. Is it 3? Number 13. To number 2. Noah. Number 2. Is there? Number 28. Number 28. Let's go.
Apat.
Warning for technical, number 2, Noah. Warning.
Pag pwede pa, like reklamo mo about foul. Kasi reference decision.
Running time yan, number 10. Diretso ang laban, kahit may sakla, diretso yan. Walang masakit. Pag-uwi. Nakasama mo na. Number 13, Arsenal. Number 13 to number 18. Number 18, Romagasa. 5. Let's go. Number 18. Tatlo na lang. Dalawa na lang. 61 to 59.
Si ano pangalan nun?
Number 3.
Si Clive.
Number 3, harass by number 10. To number 8, 12. Oops. Noah. Arsenal, number 13 to number 18.
Pag-post mo, mali.
Number 18 to number 3. To Arsenal. Arsenal! Ito na kita! Let's go! Number 13. Arsenal! Still pa! What goal? Number 18. Number 18. Dumiretso. Yes, sir! By number 18. All! 63! Number 13. Good job. To number 3, to number 12, number 12, nabitawan, dalawa, to number 20, number 20 to number 10, number 10, number 3 to number 18, number 18, 18 Panthers awat, no, wala. Waiters, wala time out, waiters, no time out. Ano ito, meron ka?
Oo, meron dalawa.
Isa na, Painters, dalawang time out. Number 28 to number 18. Number 18. Number 18, Kalamasan. To number 17, pass. It's not good. Out of bounds. 65 to number 18. Number 18. Number 13, 3. 17, pass. It's not good. Same ball.
Foul ba?
To number 13, 5, and a foul. Grabe!
Hindi, nagigil siya kasi kakaroon ng foul. Pero kung hindi siya nagigil kakaroon ng foul, dire-diretso na nawala eh.
Jose, galingan mo!
Nawala siya kakaroon ng foul. Nawala siya. Wala yung laro ulit.
Let's go! Number 18 points, let's go! On the 67, it's still 5, not good!